Over 60? These three T's will make your legs strong again overnight. You might notice your legs feeling tired sooner than they used to, or a strange shakiness when you first stand up, as if your muscles need a moment to remember what to do. Maybe climbing stairs now feels like climbing a hill, or your walking pace has quietly slowed without you realizing it. These changes can be unsettling, and many older adults blame themselves or assume it's simply unavoidable aging. But you're not imagining these shifts, and you're certainly not alone. What's actually happening inside your body is far more fixable than most people think. After 60, muscle fibers don't disappear overnight. They struggle because chronic inflammation builds up, circulation slows, and your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside your cells, start running low on fuel. When those three factors combine, even basic movements feel heavier, and confidence in your balance begins to fade. Many seniors feel embarrassed to talk about these struggles, worried it means they're losing their independence, but the truth is that these changes are reversible with the right support. And surprisingly, some of that support may already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Certain natural compounds found in everyday teas have been shown in research to reduce inflammation, restore circulation, and boost mitochondrial energy. Three keys to rebuilding muscle and walking with power again. When used consistently, these teas can create a gentle but noticeable shift, steadier steps, stronger legs, and a renewed sense of control over your day. In a moment, we'll go through three science-backed teas that help older adults rebuild lower body strength and maintain balance. Each one works differently, and the last tea is the most overlooked muscle restorer that almost no one talks about. Yet, it can make a real difference in how stable and energized you feel. So stay with me, because your next cup could be the beginning of stronger legs and a more confident stride. Let's start with the first tea, a warming blend of ginger and turmeric that works quietly but powerfully to calm the inflammation that can slowly weaken muscles after 60. Chronic inflammation is a hidden culprit behind that morning stiffness, the heaviness in your legs, and the nagging fatigue that makes even short walks feel like a challenge. Over time, it wears down muscle fibers and slows circulation, leaving you feeling unstable or hesitant to move. The good news is that natural compounds in this tea have been shown in studies to lower key inflammation markers, helping muscles recover more easily and reducing soreness that can hold you back from daily activities. When you sip this tea, the ginger and turmeric begin their gentle work, improving blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to tired muscle fibers, and loosening the stiffness that can make each step feel heavier than it should. Imagine waking up and standing without that tight, dragging feeling in your legs, or climbing a short flight of stairs without pausing to catch your breath. That sense of ease, that small but powerful freedom, comes from giving your muscles the support they need at a cellular level, something this simple tea can provide. Many people think rebuilding strength requires complicated routines or expensive supplements, but this tea is different. It's easy to make, with ingredients you can find at any grocery store, and it becomes a ritual that your body learns to respond to. Simply grate a small knob of fresh ginger, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, pour in hot water, and let it steep for a few minutes. You can enjoy it once or twice a day, especially in the morning or before light activity, and over time you'll notice that the heaviness and stiffness in your legs begin to fade. Each cup works subtly but consistently, turning simple moments like standing from a chair or walking to the mailbox into evidence that your body is regaining stability. Drinking this tea is not just about the physical benefits, it's about shifting how you see yourself. As inflammation eases and circulation improves, you'll start feeling more grounded, more confident, and more capable in your everyday life. That small change in your morning routine becomes a symbol of empowerment. You are actively giving your body what it needs to move well and maintain independence. You may notice it first in subtle ways, like fewer pauses when reaching for something on a shelf or a lighter step when heading out for a walk. But these are the building blocks of lasting strength. And while this tea lays the foundation by calming inflammation and restoring circulation, it's only the beginning. The next tea we'll explore focuses on another critical piece: energy and endurance. Together, these blends form a simple, natural approach that not only strengthens your muscles, but supports your overall vitality. By starting with this anti-inflammatory tea, you're giving yourself a gentle, reliable boost that prepares your body for more active, energized days ahead, proving that rebuilding muscle and walking strong after 60 isn't just a dream. It's entirely within reach. Next, move on. Tea number 2, a refreshing combination of green tea and an adaptogen like eleuthero, designed to restore energy and boost muscle endurance. As we age, our mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in our cells, slow down, making every step feel heavier and reducing the stamina we once took for granted. Walking to the mailbox or climbing a flight of stairs can leave legs fatigued more quickly, and the frustration of feeling held back can weigh on your confidence. This tea works at the cellular level to gently support mitochondrial efficiency, helping your muscles use oxygen more effectively and sustain activity for longer periods. Drinking this tea consistently can change the way your body responds to movement. Imagine stepping outside and feeling a lightness in your legs, wanting to walk a little farther because fatigue no longer hits as soon or as intensely. The adaptogens in this blend help the body resist tiredness while supporting alertness, giving you energy without the jittery crash of coffee. It's a smooth, natural lift that helps both mind and body feel ready to engage, creating a cycle where mental clarity encourages movement, and movement reinforces strength. Over time, these small but consistent steps rebuild endurance and awaken muscles that have been underused, allowing you to reclaim confidence in your mobility. Beyond physical stamina, this tea nurtures motivation. When your mind feels sharp and your body responds with less strain, walking or light exercise becomes enjoyable rather than a chore. You may find yourself looking forward to your daily strolls, noticing how your legs feel stronger with each step and how your posture improves naturally. This renewed energy isn't just about exercise, it's about feeling capable, alert, and in control of your day, reminding you that aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Preparation is simple. Steep green tea, leaves with a small amount of eleuthero root for 5 minutes, or use a pre-blended tea bag if you prefer convenience. Drinking it in the morning or early afternoon allows your body to take full advantage of its energy-supporting properties without interfering with rest at night. Consistency is key. Just a cup or two each day can subtly transform how your legs respond to activity and how motivated you feel to move. As this tea helps you build energy and endurance, it sets the stage for the next step in your muscle recovery journey. The third tea focuses on calm, restorative strength that works while you sleep, supporting nighttime repair so your muscles wake refreshed and ready to move. By combining these blends, you are not only nourishing your body, but reshaping your daily routine into one that encourages strength, confidence, and independence, proving that even after 60, walking stronger and longer is entirely within reach. Finally, let's talk about tea number 3, a soothing blend of ashwagandha and valerian root designed to support muscle recovery while you sleep. One of the often overlooked reasons muscles weaken after 60 is elevated stress hormones at night, particularly cortisol. Even when you rest, these hormones signal your body to conserve energy instead of repairing muscle tissue. Over time, this subtle stress can slow recovery, leaving legs stiff, balance slightly off, and mornings heavier than they need to be. This tea works by calming those stress signals, lowering cortisol levels, and creating an environment where your muscles can truly rest and rebuild. When you drink this tea before bed, the adaptogens and calming herbs gently ease tension in your body while promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. Imagine lying down and feeling a wave of calm wash over your legs, your breathing slowing, your muscles settling into a state where repair can happen naturally. While you rest, nutrients and oxygen flow more efficiently, nerve to muscle communication strengthens, and the tiny fibers that support balance and coordination quietly recover. By morning, you notice subtle but meaningful differences. Your legs feel lighter, your steps more confident, and that familiar tension from the day before has melted away. The benefits extend beyond muscle repair. By supporting restful sleep, this tea also sharpens mental clarity and steadiness, giving you the focus and calm to approach your day with confidence. Simple daily activities like reaching for an object, standing from a chair, or walking around your home feel easier, and small gains in balance and strength build over time. Drinking this tea becomes a ritual of care, a gentle signal to your body that growth, repair, and strength are possible, even if you've struggled with stiffness or fatigue in the past. Preparing the tea is simple. Steep a teaspoon of ashwagandha root with a small amount of valerian or another calming herb in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Then sip it slowly about an hour before bedtime. The aroma alone can cue your body to relax, and the consistent habit reinforces a nightly signal of rest and repair. This isn't a stimulant or quick fix, it's a supportive, natural way to help your body recover and rebuild strength while you sleep, quietly reversing some of the muscle decline that can make movement feel harder as we age. By adding this tea to your evening routine, you complete the trio we've been exploring: inflammation relief, energy and endurance support, and now calm nighttime recovery. Age does not block your ability to rebuild strength. It only slows the signals your body needs to heal. With this bedtime tea, you wake up feeling clearer, steadier, and ready to move with more confidence than you may have in years. Step by step, cup by cup, you are reclaiming your strength, proving that even after 60, your legs can feel lighter, your balance sharper, and your daily life fuller and freer once again. By now, you've discovered the power of 3 simple teas that can help rebuild your strength and confidence after 60. The first tea calms inflammation and relieves stiffness, helping your muscles recover and your legs feel lighter. The second tea supports energy and endurance, allowing you to move longer and more comfortably without the crashes or jitters of coffee. The third tea works overnight, reducing stress hormones and promoting restorative sleep. So your muscles repair while you rest and you wake up steady, refreshed, and ready to move. Together, they create a gentle, natural routine that addresses the root causes of weakness and fatigue, giving your body what it needs to regain strength. The real magic comes when these teas are paired with small, consistent movements. Even gentle walks, stretches, or balance exercises amplify their benefits, signaling to your muscles that they are supported and capable of growth. Strength doesn't return overnight, but with patience and daily care, you can feel your legs becoming more stable, your steps more confident, and your body more responsive. Each cup becomes a small victory, a reminder that your health is in your hands and that aging doesn't mean giving up on independence. Imagine the simple joy of climbing stairs without hesitation, walking to the store with ease, or standing from a chair without that familiar heaviness. That is the experience these teas and daily habits are designed to nurture. You have the power to reclaim mobility and confidence, to step into each day knowing your legs can carry you safely and comfortably. And you are not alone in this journey. Share your experiences in the comments, celebrate your small wins, and learn from others who are taking similar steps to stay strong and steady. If this guide has inspired you, consider subscribing and joining our community, where we explore simple, research-backed ways to feel stronger and more energetic every day. By committing to this daily ritual, you're not just drinking tea. You're investing in your independence, vitality, and quality of life. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and alive. And with these small, intentional choices, that strength can return, step by step, cup by cup.